So Devonport Park in Plymouth has two known underground air raid shelters constructed during World War II. These shelters were designed to accommodate up to 600 people. In addition, a cleansing and decontamination station was built in the park in 1941 to address potential gas attacks. Here we also see some of the old toilets. The doors has ladies written on one of them. Then we go to Borringdon Park, where there's another air raid shelter there on VE Day 2025. This must be like a World War II air raid shelter. We're going to explore the tunnels. Is that a stool or something? That's weird. It's like a bin lid. Random bin lid. Bloody hell. And there's more tunnel. There's another tunnel bit that goes that way. Bloody hell. That's an old electric light. Probably some time since that's worked. What we got, mate?
It's like a proper maze, mate.
Is it?
Yeah, there's tunnels just going everywhere.
Oh, this is something else, isn't it? So do you think this was... Oh, that's part of the old wiring. Yeah, it does stink a bit.
We're going to have to watch where we're going so I can see us getting lost.
There's no bicycle wheel there.
Someone bring a bike.
It must have done.
Just build it with concrete and shit. This is all the entrances into it.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it? So all the entrances are just filled up with rubble and concrete. What's that down there then? Another electric light there. I can't believe there was so many tunnels underneath this park. Got roots coming in through there. That looks like, well, what do you reckon that could have been? Because there's like hinges here as well. Do you reckon that could have been like toilets or something? Well, obviously,
It just goes on.
it does, doesn't it?
Does that lead to that? It's just pitch black.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Is it? No, that's part of the light. That's another light that's falling down.
It's all rusty.
You heard a voice?
It's probably something step on.
Well, I wouldn't be surprised.
Does this lead there, where we just walked through?
I'm not sure.
We just went in a circle.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
We did the circle.
Yeah, this is part, yeah. So that's where we, yeah, that's where, I think that's where we just walked through. Isn't that crazy?
It just looks like hanging alarms.
Yeah, this is us walking back now. We're walking back the same way now.
Yeah, that's the wire.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there you go, look, ladies. Ladies, yeah, so this must have been, like, the toilets. World War II. That's a ventilation shaft, yeah. Yeah, so you're right, this would have been the World War II air raid shelter.
What's your ass?
Yeah, watch your head there, guys.
Just give me shit.
Where we just went?
That's heading back to the entrance, mate.
Yeah, I'm going this way now.
Oh, are you? You're going that way? Yeah, all these walls are actually made of concrete with like metal frame supports. It's got a nice old circuit breaker here, look. World War II circuit breaker. Made in England. 50 watt? 5 amp. 5 amp, what is it? 5 amp 250 watt? Made in England, look. Down this bit we've got the got some old sort of like skip buckets and some old piping, probably for a bit of plumbing or something. And then the other entrance has been blocked up at the top with like sandbags with blocks and stuff. So yeah, I found an old ladder here. It looks like the ceiling's collapsed a little bit. Yeah, and the rebar is all rusted out, isn't it? Yeah, look at the ladder. Must have been the old ladder up to the surface. Now we take a look at Borringdon Park air raid shelter, also from World War II period, way up high above Plym Bridge.
Come mate, hurry up. There's 2 rooms, mate. You done? Right.
Hello!
Go ahead.
All good.
Alright, mate.
Bloody hell. Yeah, so this is an old air raid shelter up near Plym Bridge. Yeah, absolutely crazy. I agree.
Coming in, mate.
You can see the old pipework there, look.
Come on.
Got the old pipework, old cupboard. And here's some World War II metal beds here. Springs still work. Oh, it's quite comfy actually.
You done?
Yeah, no, that's quite cosy. I like that. Just needs a mattress.
No, they've got
That painted it actually.
someone stayed here.
Bedroom.
Yeah, and this here would have been the toilet. Nice little World War II air raid shelter here. Isn't that something?
Everything's shut at 4 o'clock.
Isn't that cool, look? Even an old tap. I know there's no water connected now. Anyway, head back up, I suppose.
Bye.